Hey guys, it's PixarMan18, as you know. It's me again. Oh, well, I got it like so many weeks ago. Well, just like 5 weeks ago, but check this out. It's so cool. Hang on, put it on. Look at this thing. Isn't it so cool? I mean, like, this is my Halloween costume. But that's all I wanted to share today. Just my jigsaw mask, but wait, it's a bad idea. So I don't have any ideas for other videos, but if you comment below, then I'll do whatever you want, except for inappropriate stuff, because I can't do that. I'll get in trouble, but I don't want that to happen. So don't comment. Well, comment, just comment some stuff you want me to do. That's all I have to say, but goodbye, fellow citizen.